Hi guys, welcome back to Mrs. Malkani. Mi nombre es Shalini, and today we are going to learn the personal pronouns in Spanish, los pronombres personales en español. So it's going to be a slightly longer video, and by the end of today's video you'll be able to make small sentences by yourself. I'll be quickly explaining to you the structure of a simple sentence in Spanish. And so basically in today's video I've changed the structure of my teaching, so I'm making a small presentation for you guys. So please, after watching the video, do let me know if you find this format better than the earlier one. And also do let me know if you have any questions. You can send me your queries in my comment box. And guys, please, if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe to my channel. It's very important that you hit the like button for me to understand that my videos are useful to you guys. So now, without wasting any time, let's quickly reach out to our content. Personal pronouns or pronombres personales are those who perform an action in any sentence. For example, sentence Shalini is sleeping, Shalini is the subject. So the subject pronoun for this sentence would be she is sleeping. She is the subject pronoun for Shalini. So now we'll quickly identify them. Yo, I, tú, you, él, he, ella, she, nosotros, we, vosotros, you, ellos, ellas, they. So now that we have learned all the personal pronouns, which are yo, tú, él, ella, nosotros, vosotros, ellos. So of course, for any sentence to be complete, we would need an action. So let's see, how do we make a sentence in sentences. I'm going to use the verb to be in English, which is ser in Spanish. So for example, if I wanted to say, I am Shalini, I would say, yo soy. So, yo soy Shalini. Tú eres. You are. Él es. He is. Ella es. She is. Nosotros somos. We are. You are. Vosotros sois. And ellos son. So two very easy examples are the sentence yo soy alta, which means I am tall, and tú eres inteligente. You are intelligent. So guys, in Spanish, we have got two forms of the verb to be, which is ser, which we've already seen, yo soy, tú eres, ser. And the next one is estar, yo estoy, tú estás. So the way to differentiate between the both, the most easiest way, if I can say, is you can use ser when you're trying to speak about somebody's identity or nature. Say you want to describe something and talk about any time or events. And estar you can use as a location, as in when you're trying to describe the location of a person or a temporary state. So we'll quickly see a few examples which will help us differentiate between the both. So the example number one is yo soy fuerte. Pero hoy estoy enferma, which means I am strong, but today I am ill. So as you can see, there is the use of the verb to be twice, which is yo soy and yo estoy. Example number 2, él es mi amigo, pero hoy estamos enfadados. We are friends, but today we are upset. So él es and estamos, which is the both the forms of the verb to be. Next example, ellos son divertidos, pero hoy están ocupados. They are fun, but today they are busy. So they are, as in the verb ser, ellos son, and then they are as in están, they are busy. Next example, tú eres divertido, pero hoy estás nervioso. You are daring, but today you are nervous. So ser and estar. So you can clearly appreciate how we have covered both the forms of the verb to be in the form of ser and estar. So this was the present form of the verb to be, friends. In my next video, I shall recap on this and continue with the past and future of the verbs to be. Till then, stay tuned and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.